Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Nice way to start off the week if you're a fan of the warm temperatures. We've made it into the 80s most locations now. We're at 82 in Warwick, 84 in Seekonk, Tiverton's at 83. Look at Narragansett, even 83 degrees there, 81 in Westerly, 84 in Smithfield. We'll climb another few degrees here this afternoon with a mix of sun and clouds. Again, there's a slight chance of a shower, quick one and isolated in mostly southeastern Massachusetts, but we're keeping our threat tracker low for today and tonight. When we head into Tuesday, and we're talking about late in the day, we've got our eye out on a cold front that'll be approaching. That front has a potential to bring some strong or severe storms, mainly to western New England, but we're gonna have to watch it around here as those storms try to progress eastward. Still could be a few strong or severe storms, especially northwest Rhode Island in the late afternoon and evening. The biggest risk with these storms tomorrow is going to be strong damaging wind gusts and hail. It could also bring some downpours and lightning though. So right now on the radar, all is quiet. Most areas, you're going to stay that way through the remainder of the day. Keep those outdoor plans in place. Next couple of hours, we're just going to be watching mostly again east of 195 where we could see a brief hit or miss shower. In Providence, over the hurricane barrier, it's a partly to mostly sunny sky. We're finding that in Pasco, dry conditions, beautiful summer day. Block Island, how about Block Island today? Very nice conditions there with mostly sunny skies. Here's the satellite and radar. Low pressures departing. Remnants of Bill, got high pressure trying to slide eastward and right along the eastern Massachusetts coastline where the winds have turned more to the east and northeast. There's a little sea breeze front developing, a little boundary, and where those winds go from northwest over our area to more of an east and northeasterly direction in eastern Massachusetts where those winds collide, that's where you get that little front and that potential for a shower to pop up. And our Futurecast shows a little bit of that activity here 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon. For the evening hours, it all fizzles. We're back to dry weather everywhere. Tomorrow morning, warm front approaching. Notice a quick shower. Now, timing this out, so there's sort of two periods of the day that we could get some wet weather tomorrow with a lot of dry time in between. The first is going to be in the morning hours, around the time of the morning commute, maybe into the late morning. Notice how it clears out. Dependent on how much sunshine we get after that first round of showers will help us determine our severe weather threat for tomorrow. It's during the late afternoon that a cold front comes in. And that's when we have to watch for those strong and severe thunderstorms during the say late afternoon into the early evening hours. Once the front clears out of here, the muggy air that we have today and tomorrow, it's gone, replaced by very dry, comfortable conditions for Wednesday. You'll see that dew point temperature, measuring moisture in the atmosphere, really drop down into a very comfortable category for your Wednesday. For this afternoon, though, got to be in the mugginess. Isolated shower eastern Massachusetts tonight down to 64, partly cloudy, dry and mild tomorrow. Another warm one, 84 degrees, even more humid with that morning shower. And then we'll watch for an afternoon thunderstorm, a little bit of sun in between. On the bay today, high tides around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We had the low tide just before 6 o'clock this morning. 7-day Futurecast, so down to 64 overnight tonight. There'll be a little bit more of a wind off the water tomorrow afternoon, so it won't be quite as warm at our beaches as compared to inland areas for tomorrow. Though temperatures climbing up into the mid-80s, I do expect most of the lunchtime hour to be dry. For your Wednesday, pick of the week, sunshine near 80 degrees. Less humid. Thursday, increasing clouds. Looking at a pattern change potentially by the end of the week with a stretch of cooler than normal temperatures. Highs in the upper 60s and low 70s, and we could see some showers Friday, possibly again on Sunday. We'll be keeping you